Let me give here a quotation from the former book of Allah. You know, the former book of Allah was Torah. And there is the prophecy of this Quran and Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, both. In verses 18 and 19 of chapter 18 of Deuteronomy, Kitabul Istisna, wherein Allah said to Moses, verily I shall raise from their brothers a prophet like you, and I will put my words into his mouth, and he will say to the people whatever I will put in his mouth. So now, who were the brothers of Bani Israel? Surely they were Bani Ismail. I will raise from their brothers. Actually, these are the two branches of the progeny of Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam. From Ibrahim, Ismail, from Ibrahim, Ishaq, from Ishaq, Yaqub, and the 12 sons of Yaqub, they are Bani Israel. So I will raise from their brothers. It cannot denote except Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It cannot be applicable to any of the biblical prophets. In no way. So this prophecy is very important, because it is confirming the position of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, as well as that he will deliver the words of Allah. I will put in his mouth my word, and he will say to the people, tell the people whatever I put into his mouth. So this is the prophecy of Torah which came true in the person of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, in the advent of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and in the coming down of this book, this final revelation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.